She's the smallest on the map, but she's larger than life. Rhode Island, where I met my future wife. From Providence jazz to a Newport moonlight, she stole my heart in a single night. Down by the harbor where the boats kiss the shore, we danced through the salt breeze, I wanted no more. Waves whisper secrets, the stars winked above. In a state so small, I found giant love. Oh, Rhode Island, you're a melody sweet, with cobblestone dreams and swinging old streets. From the diner to the lighthouse, the charm won't subside. You're a postcard I carry inside. The jazz club was smoky, her dress sapphire blue. I sipped on her laughter like Sunday fondue. We slow danced on sidewalks in sepia light. A kiss by the pier made everything right. People say size don't matter, they ain't wrong. You fit the whole world in a Frank Sinatra song, with clam cakes and kindness and voices that glide. You're the croon in my step, Rhode Island pride. Oh, Rhode Island, you're a classic in time, a swing in my soul, a soft vintage rhyme. So darling, pour another glass and let's ride. Like and subscribe. We got love